Hi, my name is Tina. I am a registered nurse here in South Florida. I made a video last week in regards to side hustles for nurses. And I got a few questions, so I'm going to go back and answer some of those questions. The question, my side hustles, I'll give you those first. It was CPR instructor through the American Heart Association. The next one is post-op care, providing private post-op care. And the third one was IV drip nurse. I will provide a drip almost anywhere for patients when needed and paid for. So we're going to discuss the CPR instructor because that was what the young lady's question was about. So in order to be a CPR instructor in Florida, I can only answer this question for Florida, and please send me an email if you're serious about getting more information on how to do so. I do not teach the class, but I am more than willing to provide all the information you need on how to become an instructor. That was something I had on my website for years, and offered that information. It came in an email format. You got whatever you needed. Now I'm willing to just have a open discussion with you and have it written out an email as well. So in order in Florida to become a instructor, you will need to find a American Heart Association training center. Preferably it will be one near you in your area, so you won't have to travel far when you have to teach classes. You find American Heart Association training center in your area. Pretty easy to find. You find the center, you ask them, do they offer training? If they do, they can train you. You obviously have to invest in the time and money. You pay for the course. It's a couple $100. Generally lasts about 2 days, I believe, 2 full days. And then you have to go down the list of their curriculum. They have to make sure they teach you their curriculum because that's not yours. You're not teaching what you say, or Red Heart Association says. You're teaching what the American Heart Association would like you to teach. So they give you the curriculum, so that makes your job easy. And then the next part would be just investing in all the equipment and information that's required. You have to make sure you stay in good standings. You teach in front of the facility that trains you, so that they can agree to keep you on as an instructor, because basically your instructor license goes through the training center. I hope I answered that question. If you have more questions about how to become a instructor in the state of Florida, because that's all I know. I don't know about Georgia, what's the requirements, but you have to be able to be an educator. Okay? I hope I answered your question. If you have more, or if you just need to walk through the process, please send me an email. Thank you. I'll make sure my email is in the caption below. Bye-bye.